Motion and notion. Motion. Motion is the act or process of moving or changing position. Examples: the car was in motion as it sped down the highway. The dancer's graceful motions captivated the audience. Notion. Notion refers to a belief, opinion, or idea, often a general understanding or concept. Examples: she had a notion that it would rain, so she brought an umbrella. The notion of freedom is deeply ingrained in the country's history. Differences. Motion primarily relates to physical movement or change of position, whereas notion deals with ideas, beliefs, or opinions. Motion is more concrete and tangible, involving actual physical action, while notion is more abstract and intellectual, dealing with thoughts and concepts. Motion often involves observable actions, while notion is usually internal and subjective. Both words can be used metaphorically, but motion tends to be more literal in its usage compared to notion. Similarities. Both words can be used in a figurative sense to convey a sense of change or development. Both words are nouns that convey different aspects of action or change, whether physical or conceptual. Both words can be used in various contexts to describe different types of movement or ideas. In summary, while motion and notion are both nouns that relate to action or change, they differ in their focus, with motion centered on physical movement and notion centered on ideas and beliefs. Understanding the nuances between these words can help in using them accurately in different contexts.